Another day, let's do this.
Guys, we need to talk. I'm an investment channel, which show you on a regular basis how I invest and get rich over time. So you can learn from my mistakes and from my experience. And maybe one day you will start investing as well. Don't get scared of the complexity and everyone else's opinion. I feel like I have to be responsible and show you every step that I am doing to get financial free. And not only financial free, as well gain the time freedom and work whenever I want to work and earn money with things which I really like. So for this week, I tried a lot of things from the new technology of Google. So you have VEO3, which works with Gemini. And as well, you have Flow. I tried both. I didn't try it like other people. I want to have a use case for that. I want to have it as a form to create videos and spread out my creativity. I want you to understand what I'm thinking about. I want to be like a video creator. I would say after testing it, it will take a lot of jobs away and it gets sometimes even scary because you don't know what is real and what's created with an AI. But we have to get used to it. And I hope one day it will force people to show that the videos are created with the AI. It is pretty expensive in comparison to other tools which you can use, but I'm sure you as well will find a way around and don't pay the full price. Because if you pay the full price, the only one who profits is Google. You could pay the full price, but you have to be sure it is worth it or not. And for me, it is not perfect right now, and I want to show you what I mean in a couple of seconds. I just want to make sure you understand this is an investment channel, but YouTube is as well a type of investment for myself. I want to deliver the best videos with the best quality. That is the reason why I use this tool. I will show you what the results are. And let us start with that. First, you can tell me if this video is real or not. I know it don't has a voiceover, but we can play it. What do you think? What is the person telling us? We have something similar. Isn't that really realistic? I want to show you one more example, and that's a jellyfish in the backseat of a car. Every one of us can tell this is not real, and it looks like very animated and not realistic at all. But if we look even more into details, the prompt was, I want a jellyfish in a backseat of a car. There is as well options, and there is a couple of videos which I really would use in my videos. I downloaded this exact video in the highest resolution. You can create everything in your mind without having an expensive film producer set and people and all the other stuff which is necessary to create a good video. You have to go with the technology and you can choose what style of video you want. But I just show you a couple of my creations. And now I want to show you as well a couple of things which are lagging. Look at the end of this video. The credits which you are using are not unlimited, and if you want to have it unlimited, you have to pay a lot. I wanted to create a video about the person who's waking up and goes to work, but you can see...
Another day, let's do this.
I'm just incredibly grateful for everything that I have and everything that I am.
Guys, you have to understand, you have to write really good prompts. Otherwise, the videos get not that good, and I can show you a couple of examples where you can see it.
Another day, let's do this. Another day, let's do this.
Do you see how she brushes her teeth? It looks very insane. You can see exactly on this point and as well here, how does it work? Why is so many dust inside of your blanket? And after the turn, she has a coffee in her hands. So that is the reason if you do a prompt, which is with a lot of details, something like this will happen. And this is not perfect right now. But in the future, we will speak about things like this again. They will fix it most probably, but you can see like the quality, it's really insane. This is a picture which is AI created, and I know a lot of people will understand it, but if you are a little bit older, I would say, you wouldn't understand that is created completely with AI. I've created as well like this man dancing. If I find the video, I will show you what I've done, but listen to this.
I'm going to show you how you can start building long-term wealth.
Like the music and the gesture and the quality is insane, and a lot of AI has problems with writing, hands, emotions, mouth, or fighting. With that, we are still in the developing phase and figuring things out. But I could imagine in a couple of years how perfect everything gets. Like for example this video, I just wanted the guy who's working on his computer and it looks really good. What do you think? Let's continue with the next one. I want to show you as well the house which I downloaded in the highest quality available right now. And you can see how insane this is. And you have to imagine you can create a whole video or even more a whole movie just with your fingertips and writing a couple of prompts. And we will get problems as well with that. Because if people start to creating bad things or using your face as an image to create videos, it could be very, very bad for everyone. So look, I wanted to have a man who's dancing. What do you think about his dancing skills? What do you think? I think it's insane. I wanted to create a movie where a person is waking up, went to her laptop and start working. But you will see how it lags. That's not all. This one is, I think for right now, the best one of all of that. If you cut it and put the right frequencies out of it, you can create really insane movies. Guys, let me know in the comments what you're thinking about VEO3 and the future. But I want to share as well my opinion. I think you don't have a chance. If you don't use it, you will get behind. Because while you are filming and going to different countries, paying for the flight, get the whole production with an editor, etc., other people do in the meantime just a couple of prompts and get maybe better results. Because you are real, and in real life mistakes happen. You will do things which are not correct 100% of the time. Because maybe you make mistakes, speak wrong, film the wrong thing, or even say something wrong. And you can't choose what will happen in the background if you film in the public. I'm really excited what will happen in the future with even more development. But what I can say is I want to use it. I want to be a part of it. I want to develop it. I want to grow. And hopefully you liked it. Guys, I want to show you as well how it works. You have to write your prompts, something similar like this. And you can look at the Google Labs to see what other people are using. Because if you write it in more details and use ChatGPT as a prompt engineer, it will give you the best results possible. And I want to show you that with an example. I don't want to use so much brain power, and that is the reason why I don't specify exactly what is going on. But here you will get a really good prompt, and you see like it has a lot of details. So let us try that. Here you have the option to choose, and it will take 100 credits. All the other videos which I created and tried took just like 10 to 20 credits, and it is still with VEO2, and you have the option to choose it under this button where you can choose it if it's fast, quality, or you use the highest quality available. And it will take right now 100 credits, but I will try it. And I don't have that much credit, but for you guys, this is a live demo, and I've never tried VEO3. So let us give in the prompt which we created with ChatGPT and wait for the result. And you will see live how long it will take. But use the tip from my side. Write to ChatGPT. You want ChatGPT as a prompt engineer, because if you write it like that, it will immediately understand the task better and give you more details for your prompt. And I think this is a really good tip. And the best things about AI is if it can take part of your job from you. Not only creating videos, as well the whole thinking process. How amazing would it be if you just write in, give me a video about investing and the news which are currently going on in the world, and it will do it by its own. It will create the video, it will create the scenes, it will make the cuts, it will create the B-rolls, the audio, and everything else. How much time would it save, and how much of costs as well? And if you still need a couple of adjustments, you can do it on your own, or still give it to someone else who can do it for you. But after reading the 4-hour weeks, I understood how it works. Let us see. This is now, I'm really excited. This is now created with VEO3. I make it full screen. Let us see. Okay, it is good. But the pen, this one, what is going on there? And why is he clicking with the pen on an iPad? I don't understand it, but like the quality is insane. Yes, guys, I want to show you that as well. And yeah, I have not that many credits left, but let us see how we handle this situation in the future. I want to give you another tip. If you go to Sora Explore page, filter the category into videos, you will see a lot of different videos. And if you see a video which you really like, you can figure out the prompt. Don't look just at the video. You can take this prompt, copy it, and put it into ChatGPT and make it even better, or use it for your own videos. You don't have to create everything totally from new. Save your brain capacity and use other results to make it better and your own. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Oh yeah, that's how you do it.